If it wasn't for coronavirus, all now so we in full swing of the week of Carnival 2021. Unfortunately, we can't be out here enjoying the festivities in the way that we are accustomed to. But that don't mean we can't still take a little jam on the inside. After all houses road, and I have the ideal thing for your backyard jam. Some backyard chicken and veggie skewers. So bring out the grill, throw the virtual concert up on a projector or your big screen, and connect them Bluetooth speakers. We lime in. So this is not a complicated meal at all. We're using simple ingredients here. Boneless, skinless chicken breast, melangen, zucchini, sweet pepper, pimento, purple onion. And the thing that's gonna make this a little extra special is the spice rub that we're gonna make to flavor it. So the first thing we're gonna do is prepare the spice rub. Add some coriander seeds and some whole jeera to a pan and toast them until they get fragrant and start to pop. Transfer this to a mortar and pestle and grind it into a powder. You want to add that to a bowl and combine it with some paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. You want to cut up the chicken breast into some bite-sized chunks. Add a few spoons of the spice rub and a few spoons of yogurt. And this marinade will keep the chicken moist and flavorful. And once you combine it well, allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour. But ideally, you want this to sit between 24 to 48 hours to get the true effect. The yogurt will slowly tenderize the meat and give you a great end product. So it's really best to do this beforehand, like the day before or so. The next thing is to prepare the veg. You want to cut up the veg into some slightly bigger than bite-sized pieces. So you're going for about 1.5 inches in size because the veg will shrink and shrivel a bit when you cook it. And of course, you could switch this up and use different veggies if you like. You could even add some pineapple to this if you want as well. And once the veggies cut up, you want to separate them into different bowls and rub them with a blend of the spice rub and some vegetable oil. If you're going to cook these on an open flame on the grill outside, you really want to soak your skewers in water beforehand to prevent them from burning on the grill. But I cook in mine on the stovetop, so that's not necessary. Once you have everything ready, now is the time to tell your friends to go and wash their hands and put them to work. This is a group effort and everybody had to pull their hand. Assemble the skewers to your liking. The best approach for me, I find, is to not add the two same ingredients together. Every bite should have a different ingredient. And once the skewers prepared, the only thing left to do is to throw them on a skillet or on the stove top and throw them on a grill and roast them, or you could throw them in the oven as well. The choice is yours. It's different methods of cooking, but they will give you more or less the same result. More or less. And the great thing about this is you can serve it up with some flatbread with a little sauce, or you can serve it up with some rice and a little salad. The choice is yours. Or do like me and eat them just so. So if you make these skewers part of your backyard jam this weekend, make sure and take a picture and post your photo to social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and tag us in it. Would love to see it. If you like this recipe, please give the video a thumbs up and give it a share. And a link to the full recipe can be found in the video description. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.